Hello, peace seekers. It's that time again. Time to check out another great event that occurs in Brooklyn, New York. And this one is called Brooklyn Night Market. This is a food and drink festival that celebrates the diverse food and vibrant culture in New York City, with over 50 vendors producing dishes from all walks of life. Enjoy food, drinks, and shop for different merchandise. Brooklyn Night Market events happen once a month, every last Monday from April to November, from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. So where is it, might you ask? It's located in Industry City on 36th Street between 2nd and 3rd Avenue. Tickets are free, but feel free to RSVP. It's recommended to participate in exclusive raffles and giveaways. And it's completely free to enter. So feel free to invite your friends, colleagues, or partner, or even have a date night. Enjoy good vibes, great food, lovely scenery, and the live band. You're sure to have a good time. Love and light, beautiful people. Hope to see you there.